Hi everyone, so today I am cleaning up the garden as the season is coming to an end. I am pulling the plants that are done and putting away the trellis and the cages and storing it away for the winter. The only thing that would be left in my garden are the cold hardy vegetables, such as kale, celery, and Swiss chard. The other thing that I continue to do throughout the season is my composting, so that my garden will be full of nutrients when it comes to planting season. So do you want to know what's inside here on the steps? Let's go check it out. Oops, I need two hands. Ooh, look at that. This is where I hide my compost. Look at that. Those are my compost. Let's go check the other one. Let's now check this out. This one is composting. Okay, that's good. I have 3 compost bins that are feeding all the plants in the garden. I harvested so many tomatoes in this container. We have a short season of growing food here in Zone 5A, but this small garden that we have here has produces so much food. I have shared it to my friends and co-workers and saved some in the freezer for winter consumption. So this is going to the compost bin. I am not putting this on my own compost. It's because you have to be very careful what you're putting on your compost, because this has a disease
so you don't want it to scatter in your garden. So this is going.
I will surely miss all the harvest here in our small backyard garden, but I am already planning for the next year. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support and I will see you on my next video. Bye!